Hi, today we are diving into a question that many of you have been asking. Is using Ndarugo machine cut stones really affordable? If you're planning construction project and considering Ndarugo stones, stick around to learn more. First, let's talk about the purchase price. On average, Ndarugo stones are reasonably priced, but the cost can vary depending on the supplier and the distance from the quarry. Transportation is a key factor. Remember, the further the delivery, the higher the cost. So, if you're far from the source, budget accordingly. Now, how do Ndarugo stones stack up against other materials like bricks or concrete blocks? While the upfront cost may be slightly higher, the long-term savings are significant. Ndarugo stones are easier to install, saving you time and labor costs, which can really add up in your favor. But what about hidden costs? Some might worry about additional expenses like stone wastage or reinforcement. However, when you factor in the durability and minimal maintenance required, Ndarugo stones actually offer great value for money over the lifespan of your project. So, is using Ndarugo machine cut stones affordable? Absolutely, especially when you consider both the short-term and long-term benefits. And here's a quick reminder. At Veewave Enterprises, we deliver quality Ndarugo stones in partnership with Brayo and Ndarugo Mawe. With us, you'll guarantee top-notch materials for your project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and drop any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.